In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio of a video in VLC Media Player. This is super useful if your video looks stretched, squished, or has black bars on the sides and you want it to display correctly. VLC is one of the most popular free media players, and it gives you full control over video playback settings, including aspect ratio. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, load the video you want to adjust. You can do this by clicking on Media in the top left corner and choosing Open File, or simply dragging and dropping your video directly into the VLC window. Let the video start playing so you can clearly see how it currently looks on your screen. Next, we're going to access VLC settings. At the top menu bar, click on Tools, and then select Preferences from the drop-down menu. This will open the main Preferences window, where VLC stores all of its playback and display options. Inside the Preferences window, look along the top and click on the Video tab. This section controls how videos are rendered and displayed when you're watching them in VLC. Once you're on the Video tab, look for the section labeled Aspect Ratio. Here, you'll see a box called Force Aspect Ratio. This is where you can manually set the aspect ratio you want VLC to use when playing videos. Click inside this box and type the aspect ratio you need. For example, you can enter 16:9 for most modern widescreen videos, or 4:3 for older or standard format videos. Make sure you type the ratio correctly, with a colon in between the numbers. After entering your desired aspect ratio, click the Save button at the bottom of the Preferences window. This step is important because without saving, the changes won't apply. Now, for the change to fully take effect, close VLC Media Player completely and then reopen it. Once VLC restarts, open your video again. You should now see that the video displays using the new aspect ratio you set, without stretching or distortion. And that's it. You've successfully changed the aspect ratio of a video in VLC Media Player. This method is especially helpful if you regularly watch videos that don't display correctly by default. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more VLC tips and easy software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.